2x Milling Tactic. Tactic can automatically recognize milling features and generate 2x toolpaths in one step. This is the model. Click 2x Mill, Mill to Tactic to create 2x Milling Tactic. Right-click Feature to define the machining feature. Pick part to add. Then, right-click Mill to Tactic to create and calculate operations. Click here to expand all operations. The first operation is facing. Others are pocketing operations. Right-click First Operation to verify toolpath. Click Play button. Now you can visually see the tool movement. Okay? This has been a brief introduction to the 2x milling tactic.